So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in game mode settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, make sure that you have game mode turned on. Next, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on power options on the top. You want to select show additional plans and then select high performance. For the next step, you want to lower your in-game graphics settings, especially shadows and textures. For the next step, you want to make sure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. There's going to be 3 links in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download your graphics card software, and then through your software, make sure that you have the latest drivers installed. For the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed. If you're still getting FPS drops, it means it's a hardware problem, and you most likely need to upgrade your computer specs. If you recently started getting FPS drops on a game that was working fine before, and you recently downloaded something, then you might have a virus or something that's taken up your GPU usage. You can try running a full scan or a Microsoft Defender offline scan, or you could just reset your computer.